Rene here. I wanted to come by and just show you some quick cards that I finally had a chance to put together. This was from the Close to My Heart National Scrapbooking Day card making kit number 2. Unfortunately, the stamps I used are no longer available. The paper is still available. It's the Mix-Ins paper. It'll be available through the end of June. But I think these designs will work really well for lots of different stamp sets and lots of different sentiments. So I wanted to go ahead and bring it to you. And if you're interested in the instruction sheet, just leave me a message down below and I will get in touch with you so that I can email it to you. So the first card is Hang In There. I really like the way this came together. I did use some foam dimensional on here, but if you just did that flat, this would be a very flat card. But I think it turned out really cute, and the way that this paper, it goes together with just about everything else in the catalog right now, so it's really good to use for your scraps. Then the next one is an appreciation card, and again, there are lots of stamps that say you are appreciated. This is just one of the stamps that I just random stamped to make the background paper, but you can really do that with any stamps that you have. But I thought that one turned out really cute. Here's another thank you card. And again, this one uses very little paper. You just background stamp. You can background stamp anything you want. Little hearts would be pretty, and you could still use this same kind of a design. And any thank you stamp that you have would work. And then really the only other paper you need is a little skinny piece, and then this piece right here that's 1.5 by the length of the card. So you're really not using too much paper on this. Here's another really cute card, and I put this up on foam dimensional, but if you put it flat, it would be a really easy card to mail. Again, doesn't use a lot of paper. You stamp your sentiment directly onto the card base itself. And I just want to show you, our card bases are really thick. You can see that ink does not show through at all. I really like our card bases, and they're really inexpensive. You get 50 card bases and 50 envelopes. I can't remember the exact price. I'll stick the price down here. But they're really a good deal. I use them all the time, and they're already pre-cut and pre-scored, so they just fold up really nice every time. Then all 4 of these cards are the same design, but I flip the paper and use different icons. I just think they turned out really, really nice. And there's that one. Here's this one that would be good for your, I'm going to use this one when I go to pick up my scripts. And this one's for my doctor. Thought that turned out really cute. I love this right here, and there are lots of stamps you can do that with, including you can do these kind of flat embellishing, if you want to call it that, using that the Build-A-Plaid stamp set that's available through the end of August. And then I thought this one was really nice for our firefighters. So that's everything that I have to show you today. If you're interested in watching me put these cards together, I turned on the camera while I was making the cards, so I will put that on next. So just stay tuned and you can watch me put them together. I hope you all have a great day. And again, if you would like the instructions for these cards with the cutting guides, this is what it looks like. It'll show you exactly how to cut everything. Just feel free to leave me a comment down below asking me for a copy of it, and then I'll get in touch with you so that I can email it to you. Okay, I hope you're having a great day, and thanks so much for stopping by.